Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about how to make real money on the internet. So if you are interested in making real money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end from here on. However, if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can fast forward the video and watch the last 7 minutes of the video. So if you are interested in making money online, then you will find some links below. And also if you want to know what bonuses these are, because I will give you these 3 bonuses. So if you want to know what they are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the full video, okay? So starting here below my video, you will find some links. The number one method, recommended method by me, which obviously I am doing currently right now, which you can see is YouTube. It's not hidden, okay? So you can see here it says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So if you click on this link, click on that link right there, then you will come to this page here and scroll down, enter your name, email, and then you will get the instructions to your email. And you can watch this testimonial as well. You can see how this channel was monetized just in 2 weeks. Okay, it's a big deal getting YouTube channel monetized. That is in 2 weeks. It's unrealistic. Okay, so go and see this testimonial, and then you will get these results yourself if you follow the training. Okay, and it's almost guaranteed. I would say it's 99.9% guaranteed if you do exactly what you're told in the what you are told in this YouTube training. Okay, and you will get your channel monetized maximum within 4 weeks. Okay, so once you come to this page after that, okay, you will come to this page after that where it shows you Traffic Jarvis. That's the name of my program, YouTube program. Okay, and it's for serious people who want to make some income on YouTube, because YouTube gives you free traffic and multiple sources of income. So this is a full-blown YouTube course, 16 plus hours long. Okay, and number one source of income could be YouTube ad revenue for you, because when you are watching my video, you're watching some ads in this video as well, right? So when you see ads, YouTube pays me a little bit of money, okay? And that little bit of money could be this much, okay? So I have made all this money just by making these videos without selling. I did not sell anything and still made this kind of money, okay? Now let's scroll down. You can watch more testimonials here, and then let's talk about this here, because this is what I made by offering my consultation services one-to-one. Okay, so people will talk to me one-to-one. They will ask their questions related to whatever expertise I have. I have SEO expertise, affiliate marketing, YouTube. I have multiple expertise. Okay, so I have been making money on Stripe. You can see here. So that's something you can utilize if you have that skill. For example, you are some consultant yourself, you're some this immigration consultant, lawyer, you have some you are some professional, you can make a YouTube video and charge people for your time. Okay, and then I have some affiliate marketing income proofs here. You can see these are all affiliate income proofs. I am not showing you millions, because what matters is that you make money. Okay, if you are on zero, that means nothing works. But if if you make your first $1, $10, that means it works, and then you can scale that up. Okay, so YouTube gives you free traffic. If you are really interested in making free money, then all you have to do is be comfortable in making YouTube video. I don't come on the camera. Just imagine this. This guy does not even come on the camera, still makes money, still gets sales. Let me show you here if I come back. Or rather, I'll show you this system first, because if you go below, then it will make sense to you. So it shows you get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 leads per day, and then you can email them any offer of your choice once every single day. So I had been using the system itself, and you can see the system had been making me this kind of reoccurring commission every month. Okay, reoccurring, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It just doesn't stop. It will not make you rich. It will not make you like go boom boom, but you can see $5 here, $5 there. Okay, so if you see the date, recent times, 23rd of June, 23rd of June, so you see this is all recent money. It's not old screenshot, it's all recent. Okay, then some money here, some money is coming here, some money is coming here. So it all works as long you're willing to do the work. Okay, so if you want to make money online, seriously, YouTube is what you need. Okay, and then you can check out this 100 leads program. If you want to get into email marketing and get these leads, you can go and get it. And you can check out my Warrior Plus products. So if you come and click on this link, you can buy my own Warrior Plus products here. So this is the Shim AI. Right click and open, and it will give you awesome images, meaning you go and create the prompts using the software. Go and watch the demo. And once you follow the training, then you will be able to create images like these. Okay, so you can create images for your any offer. Okay, and then second link is about launch to profit AI. So if you are into affiliate marketing or any marketing, and go and watch the demo video first, because it will generate all the campaigns for you. Okay, all you have to do is tell the software a few keywords and it will generate the reviews, articles, email scripts, you name it, we have it. Go and watch the demo video. Okay, I think then we have bonuses, or we have one more thing, book one-to-one consultation. So if you want to speak with me one-to-one, then you click on that link, scroll down, and you can click on book now, make the payment. This will cost you $97 to speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so you go and make the payment for $97, and we can speak to you one-to-one audio call, and you can ask me any questions you have. Write down your questions, ask me, talk to me one-to-one for 40 minutes. Okay, so you make the payment, and then you email me your timing on this email address, that when do you want to speak. We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before making the payment. Okay, now let's discuss the bonuses. So bonus number one is free email autoresponder, because when you want to do email marketing, you need to have an email autoresponder. So you will get that. In a case tracking training, you will get free copy. This is 2 hours training. So this is what case tracking looks like. 2 hours, 9 minutes. What this does, it teaches you the same thing which I am doing or which others are doing. For example, if you want to make these review videos, you want to know how to find these software, how to find these products and everything, how to make the video, how to start a YouTube channel, all this is covered inside this 2 hours training. You will get that free if you buy from me. Okay, third is forex profit machine. So in case you are interested in learning about forex trading, this is a 11,000 words PDF guide. So you will get all these bonuses if you go and buy from me. Okay, and if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review now, then you will get these bonuses automatically delivered. Okay, but if you go and buy one of my products, then you have to email me and I will send you the bonuses manually. Okay, so if you are confused at any point of time, you can always email me on this address. Okay, so if you're serious about making long-term income, just like I have shown you enough proofs, I have shown you all my platforms. Money keeps coming here, keeps coming there. I'm not showing you millions, but I'm showing you it works. Okay, so if you want to make it work, then YouTube is the free traffic source. If you don't want to spend money in bringing traffic, then you have to make videos. That's free traffic. Okay, so if you're interested in making money on YouTube, because YouTube gives you high quality traffic, if you consider yourself high quality, if you consider myself high quality, then we have to come on YouTube. Okay, so again, if you're serious about making money on the internet, then go and get started with this traffic Jarvis, the link below my video. And that's it. So if you want to speak to me, the consultation is right there. Thanks for watching so far. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna start the review now. Alright, humans, let's do this Frontier AI review. So right now we are on the sales page. Now, how do you get to the sales page? For that, you will find the link below my YouTube video where it will be saying grab Frontier AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page, because my bonuses are linked to the sales page already, as you can see. So this is my bonus link, which will be delivered automatically if you go and buy this. Okay, so everything is connected to each other now, and on the sales page it says let OpenClaw actually do things for you, run affiliate campaigns, clear your inbox, send social messages for you, manage your calendar, even check you in for flights and much more. Okay, so let's scroll down so that you can see the demo video. We have a demo video on the sales page, so you have to keep scrolling, maybe 60%. That's it. So this is the demo video. Let's play. And there is no maximize button, so I can't maximize. So you have to come and watch the demo video. It's not long, it's only like 2 minutes long, so you can watch the demo video and then you can go and grab your copy. So this is all about AI. You do something here. What is this? An AI app called 5.2 solves all subscription problem for customers by making it all in one. And then it generates some articles, I guess. Let's see the end result. It does, yeah. So it generates the content, outline, sales page copy, this copy, that copy. You can generate everything. It says generate outline here. And then it's generating the whole article, as you can see, and successfully generated. You can generate images as well. You can generate videos as well from that image. Let me see. So this is your chat bot. You can chat with it. And what else do we have? We have this image generator, so you can see the image from AI. And anything else do we have here? Okay, so you go ahead and watch the demo video and then go and buy this Frontier AI copy. Okay, so let's get to the bottom and go through some question answers. So what exactly is this? Frontier AI evolves Premier something something. It's all about AI. Okay, you use a lot of AIs inside one dashboard, I guess. Do I need to pay monthly fee? Now, what will be the price after the launch period? So it will increase. Did I give you a coupon code? I'll give you a coupon code. Hold on. Is a commercial license included? Yes. I am not a techie person. That's fine. Will Frontier AI work both on Mac PC? It will. Okay. So let me give you the coupon code first of all, and that coupon code is on your screen here. So it is FRON 5. It will give you $5 discount on the whole funnel, it says here, and then FRON VIP for 30% off. So try to use both the coupon codes and see which one gives you maximum discount. Okay, then we have the OTOs. As you can see, front end is 17, but you can use the coupon code, you will get $5 off. Then you have upgrade 1 2 3 4 5. So let's check what do you get in front end. In front end, this is all you are going to get. You can pause the screen here and read everything. Okay, all right, what we got. Then we have upgrade 1, which is pro. This is what you get in pro. Upgrade 2 is enterprise. This is what you get in enterprise. Then you have some done for you. This is what you get in done for you. And reseller license, then Frontier AI IMX. Okay, upgrade 6, white label. If you want to sell this as your own software, okay, that you get the white label then. So that's all right now. If you want Frontier AI, or if you don't want, but if you want my bonuses, then go and grab the copy so that you can get the bonuses at least from me. Okay, or else you can go and buy my own software, which we have discussed. For example, the ones which I have shown you in the beginning. Check out my Warrior Plus parts, so you can go and buy even my software if you don't want Frontier AI. So go and buy something, go and buy maybe Frontier AI using my link below. Maybe go and buy my own software, or maybe go and buy the actual YouTube course so that you can start making money like me. Okay, so go ahead, click some buttons, go and buy, and you get your bonuses. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.